So let's take a look at the Backups tab in FileMaker Cloud. Now this is an all-in-one place to manage your backups because your backups are stored on the same drive as everything is on FileMaker Cloud. You have one drive. So you'll notice here that the backup schedule is actually every 20 minutes. 1 week's worth are stored before automatic deletion begins. Preserved backups are not deleted. They add to your storage costs. You can preserve backups, remove backups from the preserved list, and attach a data volume snapshot for database download. So I am going to actually back up now. This should be pretty quick because all I'm hosting is that little contacts database. Now if you click backup now, I believe it automatically preserves that backup for you as well. Or you can see your preserved backups at any time in here. Okay, and you'll see that popped in, and yes, it is actually preserved. So if I check that and hit preserve, it doesn't matter, it's already preserved. So let's say you actually want to download one of your backups. So I'm going to check this, and you'll see there's a button here under preserved backups called attach snapshot. So pretty much what this does is it takes that snapshot and attaches it as a temporary drive so that I can download my database. So that's going to go through here. Probably takes a little less than a minute, but I'm going to pause for a second. And that took about 40 seconds to mount here. Now you'll see it gives you a list of all the databases in that backup, and it actually appends a snapshot kind of UUID on the end here. So I'm going to click that, click download, and you'll see that once it generates that file, it'll actually show up here in the notifications that it's ready to download. So it says the archived database is ready to download, click download, and there it is. So now it comes packaged in a zip file with any container contents and such, and that's ready to go. So that's how you download a backup. Now once you're done with this, you can actually hit detach snapshot. So when I'm done downloading the file, I'll detach that snapshot. Now that doesn't mess with your preserved backups or anything. That just detaches a snapshot. You can only attach one snapshot at a time, so if you're trying to download multiple backups, you'll have to repeat this process for each one. So that's going to go on its own. If you want to undo the preserve of a backup, you can go to Preserve Backups, check the box, hit Undo Preserve. And now what happens to that is it just goes in the general all backups list, that one that keeps 1 week's worth of backups and removes them as they get old. So you'll see the backup schedule's already running. Here tells me my next backup is coming up in about 15 minutes, and we are good to go with backups for now.